rate constant for a first order reaction given, K value given, time required to reduce 2 to 0.2 gram. That is the point. You see, rate constant of first order reaction. We need to find the time to reduce 2 to 0.2. A similar question. Time t is equal to 2.303 by k log r0 by r. Substitute and find out. 2.303 by k log r0 by r. It is not a by a0. It is r0 by r. So 2.303 by k log initial quantity 2 by 0.2 will be 10, right? So log 10 is 1. 2.303 by 4.606 into 10 power minus 3. This is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 1000. 1 by 2 into 1000, that is 500. Simple calculation. Option 2, the correct answer. Very simple calculation. No complex mathematical analogy.